Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to do a really simple salad dressing using the Vibe blender and making use of some homemade yogurt, giving it a probiotic boost. This is a great way to use up any extra homemade yogurt you have on hand, extra herbs that might be perishing in the fridge, and you can mix up your ingredients to tailor it to your taste. This is our version of what you might know as a green goddess dressing. Let's get straight into it. The main star of any green goddess dressing is the herbs that go into it. Now you can get creative with this or use whatever you have on hand. You can mix it up. You can make it just a single herb dressing. Today I've got some basil, some coriander, and some parsley. You just need 1 packed cup of herbs, give them a wash, and then put them straight into the blender jug. Next, add 1 cup of homemade yogurt, 1 chopped garlic clove, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, half a teaspoon of salt, some freshly ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. So these are the ingredients for a basic green goddess dressing. We're going to add a few more ingredients today to turn ours into a little bit more of a green Caesar style dressing. We're going to add in 2 anchovies, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, half an avocado, and 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan. Secure the lid and blend on smoothie mode for 20 seconds. Once you're happy with the taste, pour the dressing into an airtight glass jar and store in the fridge to use within a week. So there you go, a simple dressing that you can make once and enjoy throughout the week. Obviously use it as a salad dressing, but you could also use it for breakfast, eggs on toast, however you like. It's very versatile, full of flavor, has that extra boost of probiotic goodness from your homemade yogurt, and you can use your Luvele vacuum canisters to keep it fresh. To see more of our Luvele life recipes, hit subscribe so you don't miss them. And if you enjoyed this video today, give it a like for us. Check out the blog and we'll see you again very soon.